Hello, welcome. Today we are going to find derivative of the following function. 4x cubic, 5x power 4, 6x power 4 minus x cubic, 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. And we are going to use power rule. Roman 1, which says y is equal to 4x cubic. The power rule states that d x power n, the x, this is equal to n power n minus 1. That is, the derivative of x power n is equal to, we are going to drop n, and then we are going to reduce power by 1. Now, for Roman 1, the y over the x, this is equal to 4 multiplied by, we are going to drop 3 in front, x or 3 minus 1. This is equal to 12x squared. Let us do Roman number 2, y is equal to 5x power 4. The power rule states that d x power n, the x, this is equal to, we drop n in front, x power n, and we are going to reduce by 1. The y over the x, this is equal to 5 multiplied by, we drop 4 in front, x or 4 minus 1. The y over the x is equal to 20 x or 3. Let us do question number 3. We have y is equal to 6x power 4 minus x cubic. The y over the x is equal to 6 multiplied by 4. X reduced by 1 is going to be 3. Take away. You drop 3 in front. X reduced by 1 is going to be square. So, the y over the x, this is equal to 24 x cubic minus 3x squared. Let's do question number 4, which says y is equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. The y over the x is equal to 3, drop 2 in front, multiply by 2, x reduced by 1 is going to be power 1, plus 5, x is power 1, so multiply by 1, 1 take care of 1 is 0, and derivative of any constant is 0. The y, the x, this is equal to 3 multiplied by 2, get 6, x plus 5. Because x power 0 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5, we get 5. I hope you understand how to use power rule to find derivative of a function. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.